Hey there, I'm Shelby from the Jane team. Here at Jane, we know that switching clinic software can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, and you probably have a lot of questions about the process. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with Jane and all the milestones along the way until you're settled into your new account. First, you'll learn how to book a demo and what to expect when you sign up for Jane. Then we'll get into the import process and some setup basics. Let's start from the beginning. At Jane, we like to think of exploring different software providers as visiting open houses. You want to take your time to look around and get a sense of what each home can offer. Let's get started. The first step on our journey today is going to be booking a demo. To get started with Jane, we always recommend booking a personalized demo with a member of our team. You can head over to janeapp/switch and click the Book a Demo button, share your details, and then book a time that works best for you. Booking a one-on-one demo is a great way to make sure Jane is a good fit for your practice. We can walk you through workflows, features, and answer any questions you may have. We want you to get the most out of this time, so let us know what you want to see and what you don't. After the call, you can practice what you learned in Jane's demo clinic, a fake account where you can play around without worrying about making any mistakes. You can also arrange a post-demo call for any questions that come up after your demo. If you're ready to make the move and have decided that Jane is a good fit for you, we offer a 2-week grace period to help you get settled into your new home. For our friends who are solo practitioners with no admin staff and are booking 10 or fewer appointments per month, we have a helper rate. Make sure to ask about this in your demo. And if you're a nonprofit organization or have a contract with your previous software, please reach out to us. We'd love to see how we can help. It's moving day. When you log into your Jane account for the first time, you'll see our helpful setup wizard with the first steps you need to get up and running. If you're switching from another software and you're ready to move your boxes over, you can book a free data import to transfer your files. You'll have the option to choose the type of data you want to transfer and the date for the import. It's a good idea to book this as soon as you sign up so that you can secure the date you need. Our team can import patient lists, chart entries, and other types of data, but we're unable to import billing data due to its complexity. However, we're here to assist you in manually recreating any patient credits or outstanding balances in your Jane account. And remember, you won't be alone in this process. Our experienced import team has helped thousands of customers securely transfer their data. You'll have direct contact with them throughout your import if you ever need a helping hand. We also have dedicated guides with details on what we can import from other software providers. You'll have all the info you need to make a smooth transition. As you're getting settled in, we always recommend booking an account setup consultation with a member of our team. It's a great opportunity to ask any outstanding questions and review your settings before going live. If you prefer to learn at your own pace, we have onboarding resources for every learning style. These include guides, online lessons, video tutorials, and webinars. And as you're settling in, you can start meeting your community. Connect with other practitioners, front desk staff, and clinic owners across different disciplines to ask questions and hear their experiences switching software, all through our Jane Community Facebook group. But support doesn't stop after onboarding. We're with you every step of the way through your entire Jane journey. Unlimited phone, email, and live chat support is included with every subscription. If you're not running with Jane yet and you're interested in learning more, you can book a personalized demo at janeapp/switch. Until next time, I'm Shelby, and I hope you have a great day.